we're going to make some bacon cheesy flatbread. So we need some bacon rashers and some flatbreads and some cheese slices. Okay, let's start now. First, one of flatbread and then slice of cheese. Then some bacon rashers and then cloves. If you want, you can use this for breakfast or as a snack or in the evening time, whatever. It's just a little meal. We don't have a toast, so we're gonna use a like little pan with some water for the weight. Then a little bit after 1 minute, you can check and flip the other way around. Then check, because we don't need to burn. There you go, one of ready. Okay, we finished making some flatbread. This is how it's look when you cut. Yeah, it's really yummy and it's so quick. You can make it in 5 minutes. And we are so hungry now, we're gonna eat. Okay, see you on the next video. Bye.